let's talk with this question. How to simplify such question like this? This question, it seems so complex the way I see, but I don't think so it's complex. Let's take a try. So here I got two sides. I got this side, which is my right hand side, and at the same time I got this side there, which is that one there, it's my left hand side. So here what I should do, I should decide which side I'm able to simplify. I should take the side that I'm able to simplify between these two sides there. Then looking down the right hand side, the only thing that you can do there on the right hand side, it's for you to just expand it there. Let's simplify the right hand side. This one there, it's my right hand side cos. So let me just do this thing fast, guys. So here I just got those brackets there. The only thing that I can do there is for me to remove these brackets by expanding. So when that thing they expand, this will multiply there like 2 and 4 cos x sin x there. That is the only thing that I can simplify there on my right hand side. But talking there on the left hand side, when it comes now on the left hand side, there is a lot to do here. Let's just take this thing like the way it is first, which is that sin x cos x minus by cos x there. So in my left hand side, guys, what I can do, before I change this term, let me start by expanding to remove those brackets, meaning this will multiply here first, here this multiply them, second this multiply here, third, then this the multiply that is the fourth. So let's go ahead, turn multiply by this thing. So here everything will just stay the way they are, because here there is nothing that you can do there. Yeah, when you multiply different base, you just keep them the way they are. Then this the multiply there, if I multiply the different base, I should keep them the way they are. Do you see? Then this multiply there, anything when you multiply with 1, you should get the same thing, meaning now here different sign, it's negative, I should get the same thing, because anything when I multiply with 1, I should get the same thing. Don't forget the rules, guys, for maths. That thing there, it's from algebra. So this multiply them, the same sign now, they should give us positive. When you multiply same sign, we get positive. But anything when you multiply with 1, you should get the same thing there. Yeah. So now here I can just change now this term. This term now I can change it that term. Because looking from these are the terms that we have. These terms, our terms are separated by plus or minus. From these terms, we don't have like term. There is no like term here. I can't take the like term. And here, the moment I factorize, guys, I'll be going backwards there. Because when I factorize to form what? To form brackets. So I don't want to factorize there, because I'll be going backwards. The only thing that I can do there is for me to change this thing to become like this there. Sin x over cos. Then all the other things there, I will put them the way they are, even as well as this sin cos minus by 2 or plus cos 2. Then that's 2 sin x over cos x. Yeah. So don't forget this, it has its own brackets. Let's put this one even as well as this there, it has its own brackets. Then I'll put invisible one, here I'll put invisible one. And don't forget put here that I'm simplifying this thing here like this. Yeah. Those are the terms that we have are being separated by plus or minus, the plus or minus minus. So if I'm working on this term, I know that when I multiply two fraction, numerator will go to numerator. Here I will have 2 sin and cos x there. and a denominator will go to denominator. Then coming as well as this one, numerator to numerator and sine x there. Then denominator to denominator. Then minus, then from here I've got 2 sine x cos plus 2 cos. What you don't affect in maths, you write the way it is. And after doing that, guys, I will notice now when I divide the same thing in maths, they cancel. And here when I divide the same thing, they're supposed to cancel, meaning here I've got 2 of cos there. I've got cos, I also got cos there. So this will cancel, meaning that I will only left with 1 cos, which is this one. So here I will be left with 2 sine x minus, then for here I will only left with 1 cos, and that's sine minus by 2 sine x cos x plus 2 cos x there. Do you see? So now in this case, guys, what I will do, I will see that I can see that these are what we call like term, this one. Now I'm able now to take the like term after simplifying that term. After simplifying that term, now I'm able to say that these two things that are the like term. And now this one, this thing, even as well as this, if I can remove that 2, that will end up being identity, those one. They will end up being identity. So what I will suggest for this question, let's just try to remove this 2 here. And that 2 there, it is common for all terms. For all terms there, that 2 is common. Meaning that 2 there, I can take it as a common factor. That 2. Taking that 2, guys, as a common factor, this is what will happen now. If I take 2 here, I will only left with sine 2x. Then for this one, okay, let me come and take it here, that 2. Take that 2 there, I will only left with what? With cos x. Then for this one again now, here it will only be cos x sine x minus by sine x cos x there. Do you see? Then now I can close my brackets. Now I have taken that 2 outside. Now I will notice that these two things are what we call identity. And those one, they're supposed to give me what? They're supposed to give me 1 here. These two things, it's cos 1. Then these 2 of them, they are what we call like term, this one. Like term, we got 1. Here we also got 1. So it means that those one, they're supposed to give me what? They're supposed to give me 2. Then we just keep those base the way they are. That's cos sine x, close. So no need for me, guys, to expand here, because now I can see now I can see that. Do you see this thing? This one, I hope you will be able to see. Do you see all of this thing? That thing there is the same as what we're proving. Let me try to just flip this page like this time. Let me just flip my page. Yeah. So what I need you to understand now is this one. Now I have proven what we need. Do you see all of this thing? It still look the same as that. The moment now that I'm expanding, it means that I will be forming that thing there. Do you see? So what I'm proving there, it's already done there. I'm done proving there, because this I got it there here. So the only thing that I can do for this question is for me now to conclude them of saying that therefore left hand side equal to right hand side, just like this then. Yeah, so this question, it was kind of long, guys. I pray that you did understood, and you can just take a screenshot. So all of these one, there are your steps, those one. Yeah, so thank you guys for your time. All the best in your studies.